So over here you can see that I have a web page right here, and on the top you see the navigation bar with home, about us, contact us in a certain order. If I want to go ahead and change the order of these pages, then over here on the left in main navigation you can go ahead and click and drag this out around as you like, and the order of those pages will be changed out, as you can see right here, just like this. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and move resource up, then simply click and drag out the resource on the top right here. Apart from that, what you can also do is click on the three dot button, and then you get a move up and move down option as well. If I were to click on move up, it moves up, and if I were to click on move down, then it moves down, as you can see right here. Let me just go ahead and move it down and maybe drag it in right here. Then you get the change of order of pages just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and change page order inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.